Joseph Gilbert asks, how do you stop the sound from the engine to the driver's compartment?
Again, good question, and it's something that initially concerned me before we had our first car on the road. I thought, oh, just all this noise. To be quite frank, if you take any engine on this planet, the moment you close the exhaust system so that you can't hear the exhaust, you'll notice that the engine actually doesn't make much noise. An engine is just, it's a chunk of metal with pistons going up and down. The noise, there's very little noise there. Even the valve train is quiet. The noise is always your exhaust system. So with you sitting with the engine behind you and the exhaust system exiting even further behind, the biggest sound that you have is the exhaust tone. That is what you hear inside the car. Sitting in the cab, you don't hear the engine. The firewall is right behind you, and you can, we soundproof the firewall, but if you're building your own car, you can put 6 layers of soundproofing on if you wish, but you definitely don't hear the engine. When you drive the car, you hear the exhaust tone.